Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need the basics first: clear phone skills, Excel comfort, and an accounts receivable mindset. Once your resume highlights collections, dispute resolution, and 1099 familiarity, apply. Make sure your LinkedIn and voicemail sound professional. Recruiters check them. Start actively targeting roles. Set a daily goal of 5 tailored applications and follow-ups. You'll also want a short pitch ready that explains how you reduce days, sales outstanding, and handle tough conversations. Begin contacting hiring managers within 48 hours. Once done with applications, build practical skills that hiring managers test. You should rehearse negotiation scripts and objection handling for at least 30 minutes daily and record 1 practice call per week to review. Make sure to learn common AR platforms and CRM workflows. Mention specific systems on your resume. Simultaneously, expand outreach. Join 2 professional groups, attend virtual meetups weekly, and message recruiters with concise evidence of results. These steps convert interviews into offers by proving capability and persistence. You close by preparing for interviews and the offer. Practice answering with numbers, recovered dollars, percent reductions in DSO, and average monthly contacts. During offer talks, ask about KPIs, training, tools, and schedule, then negotiate pay using documented results. Once on board, request a 30, 60, 90-day success plan. If you run into problems, no interviews or offers, review your application funnel, revise your resume to emphasize measurable wins, and solicit feedback from a recruiter or mentor to iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.